In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Bluehost. Whether you're updating your contact information or just need a fresh start, it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step to ensure you have a smooth experience. First things first, let's get signed into your Bluehost account manager. If you're early into your journey with Bluehost, or if it's been a while since you last logged in, simply head over to their official website and enter your credentials. Keep in mind that a strong password is crucial for your account's security, so ensuring you've got that on hand is a good idea. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a person icon. This little icon is your gateway to managing different facets of your account. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. You'll have a couple of options to choose from at this point. You can select My Profile, which is the simplest route. However, if your account setup includes multiple users, or you just want a broader look at your user settings, you might want to pick Accounts and Users. Once you've made your choice and you're on the appropriate page, look for the button labeled Manage that appears next to your account details and give it a click. Now that you're in the Profile section, you're just a few steps away from achieving your goal. Your entire email management can be done here. What you need to do next is find the option labeled Edit associated with your Profile section and click on it. This will allow you to make the necessary changes to your email address. Prior to entering your new email, take a moment to double-check it. A small typo could lead to missed communications down the line, and we surely want to avoid that. After you've entered your new email address, most platforms, including Bluehost, will require you to verify your change. So, keep an eye out for a verification email in your inbox. Clicking the provided link is often essential to finalize the update. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email. Regularly reviewing your contact information on any account is a good practice. It ensures you don't miss out on important notifications or updates, and keeping your information current helps maintain account security. In this video, we covered how to change your email through your Bluehost account manager quickly and efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to check out the other resources on our channel for more tips and tricks related to web hosting and account management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.